Hi, I'm Linda Letourneau from Redstone, the listing agent for this property located at 291 Hurricane Lane in Williston, Vermont. This property is a 66,000 square foot facility located on 6.74 acres, and it consists of Class A office, manufacturing, and warehouse. Come on inside and we'll take a look. Here we have the main reception area and waiting area for the facility. Each hallway goes down to 15,000 square feet of Class A office space. As we cruise on through, you'll see private offices that range in size by 12 by 14, by 12 by 16, or even 12 by 18. And then we have a few executive conference rooms as well. We have the former president's 24 by 32 square foot executive office. It comes complete with a half bath and an attached executive assistant area. Here we have a 20 by 48 exercise room within the facility. It's got sheet goods flooring, surround sound, and high ceilings, temperature controlled. Here we have a very flexible part of the building. It's a temperature controlled 6,000 square foot cube area, and it's currently being used as a game area for these guys. It was previously used for a manufacturing area for machines that were in a clean environment, and it has 20-foot ceilings, fully sprinklered, great lighting. And as you go around the corner, you'll see some mechanicals of the building. We've entered now into the 30,000 square foot warehouse component of the building. It has 24-foot ceilings, fully sprinklered, energy efficient lighting, and concrete flooring. It has racking in place that could stay with the building, or this current owner could take it away. It is connected to an internal dock area of about 3,000 square feet with a roll-up overhead door to allow transition of materials in and out. Here we have a recently remodeled 24 by 40 break room kitchen that's fully equipped with double refrigerator, double dishwasher, and loads of room for all staff. This facility is conveniently located at exit 12 on I-89. Hurricane Lane has two entrances to the property. There's the front entrance with the main directory, which brings you to the office component of the building. There are 74 permitted parking spaces here on site. And then there's the second entrance off from Hurricane Lane that gets you to the rear of the property where the manufacturing and the warehouse distribution components of the property are.